Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to import the iClone 8 3D animations such as the RLMotions or iMotions into iClone 7s as a backward compatible life hack. So start from now, I'm going to show you the step by step. In iClone 8, from the iClone 8 to iClone 7. So start from now, I'm going to show you the step by step. Just from beginning, everything start from iClone 8. If you not yet get the iClone 8, you can just go to my website freedom3d.net to get the iClone CC4 and all the plugins. And start from now, I'm going to just call an actor. Just click here, actor, character. Then choose Camilla. So you can just scroll down until you find cloth. Then choose Camilla. Because in iClone 7's 3DXchange, it can recognize CC for Camilla. So for any of the RLMotions or iMotions that you want to bring to iClone 7's, you just use Camilla and apply any of the RLMotions in iClone 8. So now I'm going to choose the motions, and as demo I'm going to just choose a simple ones, for example the air dance, drag and drop to apply the RLMotions or iMotions. Then next you can try to play and have a view. Alright, so this one should be no problem. Next, just click the window, workplace, go to the animations and close the curve editor. Under the timeline, just click here to go to the actual size, then just scroll. For this one, select the range until it approaches somewhere here. Then just make sure you include the range within the range. Then now you can just try to play. Just look at the animations. It is exactly this range. This is the RLMotions or iMotions that you just applied. Alright, next, what you need to do is just click File, Export FBX as Maya format. Select the range and embed the texture. Or you can just do not embed the texture. This is not so important. Just export as FBX first, and as demo I will export it on my desktop. Name this as air dance. The animation name is the air dance. I click save. It is going to export it into the desktop, and just wait for a few seconds. Alright, now you can see the FBX already exported. This is the one that we are going to bring in to import into the iClone 7. So now I'm going to open the iClone 7 and also the iClone 3DXchange. Now the first I'm going to open is the iClone 3DXchange 7. And what you can do is just import the FBX, and within 1 minute, within a few seconds, it is going to automatically convert it into the iMotions or RLMotions for iClone 7. So here, just make sure you import the animations, then click OK. And now you can see it automatically detect Camilla as the CC avatar. Just click yes, it is automatically converted. At the same time, the motion already imported. Now, once you scroll down, check this and try to play, you can see the animations is already here. So what you need to do is just click here to export. You can see, click export. You can see iClone, export. And what you need to do is just untick and only select the export animations. Then export the RLMotions, browse the desktop, then click OK. and click OK. It is going to export as RLMotions. This RLMotions is for iClone 7. Just wait for a few seconds. It is going to export as RLMotions. Now you can see successfully exported. Click OK. You can see the RLMotions is already here. Alright, this is the one. So we are going to test it in iClone 7. I'm going to open iClone 7. This is iClone 7.9. I'm going to just wait for a few seconds. Right, now iClone 7 is ready, close. And I'm going to just choose a sample avatar. Drag and drop a sample avatar. I'm going to test the RLMotions just now. Right now, this 3D avatar is already loaded. What I can do is just test the RLMotions to see whether it works or it doesn't. You can see I drag and drop, then I try to play. You can see the air dance motions already exported from the iClone 8 and imported into iClone 7, and now everything performed really successful. It automatically detects the CC4 camera, and now in the 3DXchange it automatically detects the motions as well. Now I already exported as RLMotions for iClone 7. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to export the 3D animations from iClone 8 and import into iClone 7 as a backward compatible life hack. In this tutorial, what we need is the 3DXchange 7, and you can just get it from my video descriptions. This is the old version of the software, but you still can get it from the official sites, and the link that I share to you will link to the official sites. It is still available for you to get the iClone 3DXchange 7 and also the iClone 7 if you still need it. Of course, if you already have the iClone 8, everything is well. If you doesn't need, then it doesn't matter. Alright, because some people, they are still using the old version of the software. They may need this life hack. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you!